Trump staring down a potential jail term, the billion-dollar servo deal, and romance fizzles for 93-year-old Rupert Murdoch. Welcome to Trading Up, a collaboration by the West Australian and Grapher. I'm Heidi Cuthbert. Donald Trump has officially become the first US president to face criminal charges, and he's now staring down a potential jail term. Trump's facing 34 charges related to alleged payments of hush money and then covering his tracks during his 2016 presidential campaign. He was charged over alleged payments of $130,000 to adult film actress Stormy Daniels, as well as another $150,000 to a woman who says she had an extramarital affair with him during his campaign for president, along with some pocket change of about $30,000 that he paid to a Trump Tower doorman who claimed Donnie had fathered a child out of wedlock.
The only crime that I have committed is to fearlessly defend our nation from those who seek to destroy it.
Trump has pleaded not guilty to the charges and blames the case on an effort to derail his 2024 re-election campaign. And it seems like no one can comment on interest rates without our word of the day: pain. RBA Governor Philip Lowe has warned that interest rate hikes aren't over, despite the central bank keeping them on hold for the first time in 10 months. Lowe says economic uncertainty from banking collapses in the US and Switzerland were enough to warrant a pause on the unprecedented hikes while they assess their impact. But the pause will only be temporary, with more pain ahead.
Woo! Yeah!
And from oil rags to riches for the Shahin family, who started their service station empire with just one servo in Adelaide almost 40 years ago. They've just struck a deal to sell their chain of on-the-run service stations to Viva Energy for a huge $1.15 billion. Over 700 Coles Express chains, which were also bought by Viva, will be doing a mega rebrand as on-the-run stores. They plan to have 1,000 convenience stores, and almost 900 so far are well on their way. A couple of super rockets today. Shares of Western Mines have shot up, well, like a rocket, after assay results confirmed its discovery of a significant mineral system at its WA nickel project. And shares of 4D Medical have surged after the company signed a new 5-year software license with the University of Miami for its X-ray analysis software. And finally, just 2 weeks after announcing their engagement, Rupert Murdoch and Anne Leslie Smith have called off their wedding. It was set to be Rupert's 5th wedding after divorcing model Jerry Hall less than a year ago. Neither of the pair have spoken publicly about what caused the split or who gets to keep the ring. Reportedly, the 11-carat diamond ring is valued at $2.5 million, with the 93-year-old Rupert Murdoch calling it the best of the best. You can find more business news content on thewest.com.au, or to see all the data and insights behind this video, check out grapher.com. Thanks for joining me on this special episode of Trading Up. I'm Heidi Cuthbert. See you next time.